Okay, and we are live in 3, 2, 1. Welcome, my friends. Welcome back, or welcome to the channel of the Nasdaq scalping bot. This is the YouTube version of the live stream we see every day at Twitch. If you want to be there and see how I create this kind of stuff, you're welcome. I will leave a link in the description. Would be fun to see you around there. And of course, if you want to talk to me or have suggestions or questions, it's the best place to talk with me, besides, of course, my Discord server, which I will leave a link in the description too. So that's to begin. But hello and welcome back to the Nasdaq Scalping Bot channel. This is a channel all about a Python program, my first Python program I made, and it's being used to for the scalping actions at the Nasdaq and make hopefully a profit of it. And this is a testing series, so if you're looking at this, you will see that there are already, I believe we got 12 already, so we're now in testing day 13, and it's an application involving money, and if you want to be sure that an application works, you need to test it, as certainly when it is about money, and not only my money, but maybe your money too. So you want to know that it works, and that's why we're doing it. This is, I believe, 13. And if you want to know how it is and what did change and how the bot did perform today, well, just stick around. And now that we are here, I'm directly going to show you something, what's going on inside the bot that I need to figure out after the testing day is over. Because when you look at the screen and you look at the screen at the market, you see the market is being more active than it was the last couple of days. So it's been more active market. That's good. It's good for the bot. But you also see that there is no contract open at this moment. And while it's not open, yet the bot says, the application says, the bot says, there was a contract open, but not recognized by the bot. And this is new. If you are following the series the last couple of days, you know, it wasn't yesterday. I know. I did create this today, this morning, to check something, because I looked at the bot and there was something strange going on. And that was that I didn't see, and we talked about it yesterday too, that I didn't see the counter going up or going down for the profit, or the negative counter, as in 10 minutes a profit close or 10 minutes a negative close. So I didn't see that, and I stopped the bot this morning and I added a piece of code to say, and that's what you're looking right here. If I'm going to show you on, not on the bot, on the code line, we're diving right into today the coding. And while we're doing, you see there's a refresh going on, and again it says there was a contract open but not recognized, but I'm going to explain. So I thought that the status check was not used, that there was no update of the profit, and there was not clear if a position was opened. So I added in the sequence, I added if there's not a contract open and session enter, the number of candles is larger than 30, so the bot must be at work for some time, then do a status check. And if this status check says that there is a contract going on, and you can see that because there is an uneven number larger or smaller than 0.0, so there is something of a contract going on, then say print there is a contract open and not recognized, put the session contract open to true, and start handling this existing contract. Start doing your job and following this contract, and let me see what is going on. Then I saw that I get a lot of reactions like, there was a contract open but not recognized with the bot. There was a contract open, and what's now? So I killed the bot again, and I added my balance status at the status check. And now I see, and you see it along with me, if we go to the right, we see, I don't know if the bottom left is active, yeah, we see that there is a profit loss 0.0, profit loss 0.0, 0.0, 0.0. So there is a 0.0, but he thinks, no, there was a contract open, but not recognized by the bot. So this if function, if session in this contract profit is not equal to 0.0, will not be executed. Well, it's always seen as true. There are two things that I don't know. Usually the exclamation mark followed by the equal sign means not equal to. This could be that there is a problem with my statement, as in this is not a correct if statement. But something else is going on. We see that there is 0.0 profit loss at this moment, we see. If I go to the status check, where is the status check? There it is. We see that the account information profit loss is stored into the session this contract profit. But in the main window update, there is again this contract profit, and it does not update the bot. If we look at the bot, you see that there's still in the bot the last profit loss as in 3.6 as the last, and he says current profit loss. So again, I did start the bot again today twice just to figure out what's going on, and I'm still not clear what's going on right now because of this strange update screen what does not update the right values. So it's strange. It's strange. Yeah, I know, I already said it. It is strange. And I need to figure out what this is and why this is. What is going on? And I need to confer with my better half, ChatGPT, and ask if there is an answer to my question, because this is very strange. Okay, part one we already have. What did I change on the bot? Well, this is what I changed on the bot today. Part one of this, the daily report is ready. I didn't change, did I change something else? No, I didn't change that. Yes, I did change We talked about it yesterday. In the strategy, I changed back the correct, as I see, correct versions of the conditions of this if function combined with an and not like PyCharm suggested in one continuous string with the current, the previous, and the oldest, but in separated conditions for each of those. And did this had effect? Yeah. Directly. You can see on the reports. We're going into the reports later, but if you look at the reports, you only see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 positions opened today. And in the quiet hours, there are only 3 positions opened. If we look to yesterday, we saw in the quiet hours 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 positions opened, mostly losses. And the day before, in the quiet hours, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 positions. So a lot more positions were opened in the last 2 days because of the correct way of using the if function as PyCharm suggested it. It's my lack of programming knowledge of Python to know if this was or was not a correct syntax like PyCharm suggested it. But now I'm sure that this is the better one, and I'm gonna use this for tomorrow and probably the next week also, while we're also gonna test the AI. So we're now getting, after this weekend, we're getting the combination of the bot doing my strategy and the AI doing his strategy, and I can compare and see how the both of them are doing. So that is it. What I changed again in this if function in the strategy, and it definitely had result in that way. So that's still the plan we're acting on to do. Let's go to the reports first. The reports for today are more in line with expectations. I've got the bot was killed between 10 and you see that's why I killed the bot, and I killed the bot again around this hour. So these positions weren't already there, but the number of positions were like I expected it to be. And having profit, well, we had a 40-cent one loss, a 48-cent loss, a 155 loss, a 87-cent profit, 56, 150, 23-cent, 133 cent, and €1.06. So small profit, small losses, but also small profits. That's because we are with a balance below the 500, and so we do not make large profits. And so the one we ended an hour ago with €3.06 was the largest one of today. And did it compensate for the entire day? No, it does not, because we ended yesterday with 408 and we are ending now with 405. €3 loss, but better than the last 2 days. So we are making progress again. Good. Did we say? No, we did nothing else today. So let's take the bot back. You look at 82 candles. We made a profit of €3, of course, and in the final ones So that's it for today. Short one, but yeah, I can talk hours and hours over how I built this bot, but you don't care about how I built a bot. And if you do care how I built a bot and you want to make one of your own, there is a video series in my series where I explain the entire build of the bot, how I did it step by step, so you can make one for your own. And this will be for next weekend. I will add one where I will explain how I'm gonna add AI to the bot. So there is still something in the air, but for now, yeah, this is it. And if you like what you see, press like. If you want to see more of this, yeah, subscribe is a good idea, but you can also come over to my Discord channel and talk about me, or look at me at Twitch, where we're discussing and looking at the code and the bot and the market. So there is a lot of things going on. So if you want to do so, you're welcome to. And if you don't, fine with me too. Leave a comment. That's always nice. I will react to all the comments. And I will see you tomorrow. Have fun.